Adventure!
Of what?
Get your ass next to me. Get your ass next to me. I am next to you. Adventure! Adventure! Adventure time. To Dollar Tree.
Where's the Dollar General?
Tree.
Tree?
General is by where I used to live.
Oh.
Yes. This is a long walk. Oh, jeez. Look at that sexy.
Look up.
Oh, yes. Oh, come.
In my mouth.
Oh, look at Martha. Look at Rachel's head. You see her head?
Her head alone.
See her head? You like her head? There's her face. I like her face. Look at, no, it's getting to your eye. There we go.
What the fuck? You just hit me. I'm about to beat you.
Ow.
Look at the flowers. Look at the grass. I like grass.
Look at the unicorn.
Where? Where? No, where? Oh, you fucking stupid. Is that a hobo? It's Wayne Street.
Not very exciting.
I like Lil Wayne.
Let's take video of the cars going by.
Take a video of Walmart. Man, fuck this.